Yes, it's me, YouTube again. Oh, here we go. Zoom in. It's still in my backyard, eating a rabbit. Well, trying to take a rabbit away. Yes, that's a turkey vulture, and we decided on that. First I thought it was a chicken or a pheasant or something cool like that, but nope, it was too ugly. Number two, we found out it was a vulture. Number three, it's a turkey vulture. So things happening in my backyard at this moment. I think I'm gonna put this video on instead of the other one. That's long, but it was more out in the open than in the other video. We might put both, who knows. So this is the video for this. Get a little closer. I wish I could get a better vantage point, but there are leaves on the tree and you can't see upstairs. If I stand where, basically plants are in the way. What is it doing now? This is still sitting out there doing what they do. There we go, a little closer. Pretty neat. I think it's neat. So I'm going to turn this off. Oh my God. Stop losing it. There we go. A couple more minutes. Oh, there he goes, doing what he's doing. Come on, eat something. Impress people on YouTube. That's one big bird. Oh my goodness. There we go. Keep him in frame at least. Yes, Mary Tyler Moore is on in the background.
You know, the little kids at the Air Force Base really ate up my act last night. Kids? Yeah, well, some of the officers brought their kids. Oh. Fuzzy and I were real smashed. Right, Fuzzo? Yep. You know, I got to think.
Yeah, I think that's enough for me.